Hey everyone, trying Captain D's for lunch, and I haven't been here in a long time, so let's get into it. Since when does Captain D's have a spicy? So I got their battered 4-piece, supposedly spicy fish with fries and green beans. Of course, they give you the 2 hush puppies. So let's get into it. Let's break off a piece there. Look at that. It is hot, but it's not spicy at all. It said spicy on their menu. I don't know. Let's try their fry. The fries have always been okay. Oh, I give it a 7 out of 10. Fries, I'll give it 6 out of 10. And nice. Green beans are good. Give those a 7 out of 10, man. Wow, that's probably the best thing about it right now. Oh wow, that hush puppy, oh man, pillowy, creamy, has bits of onion in there. That's so good. Wow, that gets a 9 out of 10. Highly recommend their hush puppies if you can get them fresh. Disappointing. I thought it would be spicy. It isn't. Said spicy on the menu. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking. Leave a comment below where you want me to see me go next.